everybody, welcome back. So today I got the chicken teriyaki bowl. It has sushi rice, teriyaki chicken, teriyaki sauce, edamame, avocado, red cabbage, lettuce, and sesame seeds. It smells good. What you see me putting on here is teriyaki sauce if you want extra for those teriyaki lovers. It's a 10 out of 10 for sure. You can get this at your local HEB. So the next time that you are looking for a quick snack or a quick lunch, make sure to go to your local HEB. You definitely won't regret it. It is very tasty and very satisfying. Bye.